Okay, so I just have to accept that I'll have to be in this one because the box is too big for me to do that reach around thing, so, you know, you're gonna see me. Sorry. My Little Pony the movie Airship with Pirate Rainbow Dash. This was originally $50 at Walmart because they're Walmart exclusive. But recently it's gone on clearance for $25, which made it seem much more bearable a buy. This is from the movie, but shrunk down. There was some debate. My fiance wanted it because she needed the Pirate Rainbow Dash to go with her other pirate ponies. But there's some debate about if they'll actually all fit on the pirate ship. But now we get to see, we get to find out if they will. Let's see. So I'm gonna start opening it. I already pre-cut some of these. Okay, well there's a bunch of them. Oh, now let me show you some of the packaging first. I don't know how well you can see this, but they have nice, happy graphics with things going on. And then, you know, it's a Canon thing up here. And over here, they're like, look at that. Look at those action features it has. Look, there's Rainbow Dash on the side. None of this is in the Star Wars packaging anymore. It's just like, here's some warnings in different languages, and that's it. Just wanted to note that. Okay. So let me open this up. There's still more stuff to cut. Okay. No? Maybe? Look at that. Okay. Okay. Box. That over there. Then we got some. There's the instructions. Very simple. Doesn't look too complicated. That's good. Don't want to make y'all watch a video of me struggling to put something together. They got some little. I like that Hasbro kind of got rid of the twisty ties on a lot of their toys. They have these neat little paper things instead now, which I prefer because the twisty ties took forever. These don't. They come undone pretty quickly. Look at that. Don't have to cut them or anything. They just look how convenient that is. It's probably good for the environment too. But I mean, convenient also. So there's the top. Just put that right, you can see it right there. Okay, then we got some attachments at the bottom too. You can uncoil those, hopefully without dropping anything again, because that would be super duper awkward. Stay. That. I have no idea if this is like all up blocking me, but whatever. I can't see it. I just hope it comes out okay. The Rose video was fairly out of focus, which was awkward. But, you know, you can't really do these more than once unless you buy my toys, and that's not really the option. Out! Okay. Okay. So we got two chunks of pirate ship. Schmear. Okay. Then we got a bunch of attaching things. Just go ahead and murder all this real quick. So, while I'm doing this, like I said, this is from the My Little Pony the movie toy line. Before the movie came out, they released the toys, of course, because, you know, that's what you want to do. And the movie, they go to 3 separate locations. They go to this weird little seedy underbelly town where they meet Capper, who comes to bail them out later on. Then they get on the airship, and then they end up underwater in a not quite sea pony, but sea pony area. Each one of these sequences only lasts a few minutes. The pirate stuff lasts like a song, and that's it. But it was such cool designs that, you know, they, of course, released a lot of toys based on it. Because, I mean, it's pirates. Why wouldn't you? Okay. And I just realized I'm talking over this sound. That's awesome. Okay, there's a thingy. There's another thingy. There's a rainbow dash. Put her in front. Yay! This is kind of fun. Just you don't get many play sets or big vehicles nowadays that you get to tear into. It's nice. It's nice. It's fun. It's something that, you know, doesn't happen very often anymore. Okay. So everything out of that. That's done. Yeah, that's done. Okay, cool. Alright, now I got chunks in front of me. I gotta put these chunks together. Well, first let me check. This is Rainbow Dash as a pirate. Make sure all her joints move. Otherwise she'll have to go in the freezer, which would be fun to open up the freezer to go get some ice cream or something, and oh my god, I forgot to put a Rainbow Dash in the freezer. And she's all like, hey, I'm cold. Can you please take me out of the freezer? Okay, yeah, she's fine. I really encourage my fiance to get as many of these kind of figures as humanly possible because, you know, I like to encourage her buying toys, period, because I love toys. But she loves My Little Pony. Well, friendship is magic anyway. And these are like action figure ponies, and I think that's super cool. So, alrighty. So it actually doesn't say how to assemble it, but I mean, I think they just decided the directions were just like, come on, you can figure this out on your own. Okay, so we got this thing plugs in here, or is it the other way? Going that way. Okay, hold on. Oh, look. There's more instructions on the box itself. Okay. So we got the giant top part of the blimp. Looks like a bird. Y'all go this way. Okay. Man. Okay, one. And two. And you go with that. Yes? No? Perhaps? Oh, okay, there's a little nick there to show. Okay. And go. Okay. Stage one. Done. Okay, so this is the top part of the blimp. This is the actual blimp part. It's got a storage thing in here to put stuff. And, oh dear, it seems kind of, oh, there we go. Oh, that's because I dropped it earlier. Okay, so it closes up like that. Or it comes off altogether like that. Come on. Pops back on like that. Okay, and then you close, in theory. There we go. Yeah, something like that. There we go. Okay. And the little things flare up, kind of like they did in the movie whenever the pirates decided to be awesome, except they actually spanned out, and then Rainbow Dash caused a sonic rain boom and doomed them all. But they're all about forgiveness too. See, and she's got a little skiff. That. Is that right? Okay. I guess it just sits at a weird angle if you take it off the thing. Okay, anyway. Okay, so we got a skiff that's supposed to have like a flower thing. Oh, this has some tail flowers that go on the back of it. So there's some tail flowers. And then the skiff. Where's the... Oh, the tail flowers move to the skiff? Is that what's going on here? Is that what we're doing, My Little Pony? Yes, the tail feathers move to the skiff. So they go on. If a pony is so inclined to ride on the skiff, they will move to the skiff. Okay, very well. Okay, so then we got a wheel for the ship, you know, for whoever's controlling the ship. We got some, ooh, this is neat. Okay, and we got some barrels. It's one of the, oh, they got a plank. Okay, so they got some barrels and put barrels in here. Doop, and doop, and load those up. You know, there's treasure, and the opening, closing treasure chest. You know, the treasure that they can store away for a rainy day. This goes something like this. This way, or yeah, it's this way. No, it's the other way. Yeah. Boy, some instructions would have been really nice. Well, if you'll go on. Maybe. I don't. Why did that be so complicated? Okay, this is being a jerk. I don't know why. Am I doing something wrong with it? Gotta slide it on the end or something? Is that what it's... Okay, so, alright, now I got this on. Took some violence, but it's on. It's never coming off again. And that's a little, basically a rappel line for ponies to hang from. That's nice, good for them. Got something to hang from. Just chill out. It's got an anchor on the end to weigh them down to, I guess. And then we got two cannon thingies. Let's see, they can shoot. I'm gonna make them shoot a... Oh, maybe not. Oh. Okay. Shoot a rum bottle. I mean, a cider bottle. They're pirates, it's a rum bottle. It's bird rum or something. Never mind. There we go. Ooh. Excuse me. And then we got an anchor that decided to launch way over there. So me, and then a chicken. Chicken looks like the same one that came with cheese sandwich and his super tank, which you could probably still find on clearance at those stores because nobody bought those except for me because I like Weird Al Yankovic and I wanted a cheese sandwich. Okay, so this plops onto here, sort of, in theory. Meh. No? Yes? Plop on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. And these plop down here. Okay. And one more. Ages 4 and up. Ages 4 and up. Just wanted to see. Okay. Okay, and that goes on there. Alrighty, now we have it pretty much assembled. We got some accessories for the other ponies I'll bring up here in a second. We got another anchor that a pony can wear, and another telescope. So they have And you have the other pirate pony figures. It's 2 telescopes because Twilight has one too. Okay, and then we got these launchers that can stick on various things on the ship. I'm gonna put them, where would they be at least interfering? I'm gonna put them over here on the sides like cannons, because they're kind of cannons and they don't really want to stay. Sure, okay. All right, now we got our ship assembled. It's got its little skiff, it's got its hidey hole, it's got some spots all over for, you know, the ponies to stand. Got a plank that comes out, barrel release. How's a barrel release? Because it releases barrels too. Oh, that's way in the back. Wait, is it? Huh? Pull it back. The barrels are in there. Okay. And it says to move this back. And that releases the barrels. But that does not release the barrels. Yeah. If I gently push the barrels, they roll out. In theory, again. Okay, so but how are they supposed to? There's no like mechanism for them. And I just lost a cannon. What? Yeah, okay. I don't get it. Bullets. Oh wait, is that? Let me hold this up real quick so y'all can look at this. Somebody take a screenshot of that and explain to me how the barrel thing's supposed to work. It looks like, now that I'm looking at the picture again, it looks like you just place the barrels up here. And then you're like, doop-doo, they fall down there. And then you just open the door. I thought it was like a latch, like a lock latch or something, but okay. Whatever. You put the barrels back where they go. Barrel. Barrel. Okay, cannon, you go back where you go. Actually, cannons, I'll just... Oh, they both fell off. Okay, what? Okay, cannons stay over there for a minute. Alright. Now, the real thing, like the real curiosity about this set, is there's 6 ponies. There's 6 pirate ponies. Or there should be 6 pirate ponies. There's 6 ponies. And in the movie, there's 6 ponies. There's Spike the Dragon. And there's a pirate crew of, I want to say, 5 pirate crew members, of which they made 1, who's huge and definitely would not fit on here. But one of the issues is, would the actual pirates fit on here? The pirate ponies. Now they're kind of in a state of disarray right now, but my fiance hijacked the, I can't lift it up. I'll try in just a second so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But they hijacked the Black Pearl from Pirates of the Caribbean. This was also a $50 toy when it came out in 2006. So, times they haven't changed. Okay, but she kept on insisting that they wouldn't all fit on here, so they'd have to stay on the Black Pearl. So we're going to see if we can fit the 4 that they've made. So we got, there's the ship. We got Rainbow Dash. We got Pinky. We got Twilight. Me. Who's Caramel? There we go. Okay. We got Twilight. And, oh, who won't? Oh, give me Twilight. Okay. Twilight, are you going to behave now? You good? Good? There we go. Okay. And then we got her favorite, Applejack. who I'm going to give an anchor, because that would just be cute. So now okay, now she's got an anchor in one hand and a sword in the other. So she's all ready for adventure. Okay, actually she's going to have to put her sword down because I think it'll be more an issue enough trying to get all these ponies on this ship. Okay, so we got 4. There's supposed to be 6. They haven't made a pirate rarity or a pirate shutterfly. I always have to pause there because I always want to say Fluttershy for some reason. It is Fluttershy. I said it right. I said it wrong. I always want to say Shutterfly, but it's Fluttershy. I'm an idiot. Okay. Alright, so we'll put... Okay, Twilight is going to go with the wheel because she's got her ridiculously tall hat. Actually, Twilight will go next to the wheel on this side. Let's see if that works. Okay. And we'll put Pinky next to her. So we got 2 ponies on board the ship. Remember, it's supposed to seat 6 in a pirate crew. So we'll see. We'll put Applejack up front. She's guarding the barrels because there's cider in the barrels, I guess. And then we'll have Rainbow Dash ducking down here. And then Capper will come chill over here. And remember, there's the skiff at the top that one can sit in, and there's 2 little spots up here that they could ride, I guess, like a crow's nest, I guess. You can't fit a lot of ponies on here. I guess they'll have to stay on the Pearl, or at least some of them. I mean, they could split up. They'll start their own little armada. They got 2 ships now. Got the little wings, you know. There's no Solano figure to go on it. That's the captain of what was this ship. But, you know. So, that's the airship. Oop, and I killed Rainbow Dash. That's the airship. $25 toy? Yeah, $25. I'd give it. 50? No, not at all. So there you have it. There's the airship. It's cute. It's kind of fun. It's got some neat little things to it. But if I would have insisted her get it at full price and then we would have gotten home and put it together, I would have been like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. But, you know. So that pretty much wraps it up. I guess I'll go ahead and put these ponies back on the Black Pearl because that's their ship. Thank you for watching. Bye.